Hi, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we'll be showing you what you get in the Wood & Wick Co. Wick Sample Kit. The Wick Sample Kit from the Wood & Wick Co. includes the full variety of wicks offered on www.woodandwick.com. If you're new to using wooden wicks or have started making candles using a different wax type or vessel size, you will want to use the Wick Sample Kit to help you find the best wick for your specific candle project. It's important to conduct a burn test every time you introduce a new candle variety. Factors such as fragrance type, fragrance load, wax type, and vessel size will influence how a wick will perform in your candle. Each wick sample kit contains 4 of each type of wick, all at 5-inch height and 20 wick clips. The crackling wick .02, the crackling wick .03, the crackling booster wick .02, the crackling booster wick .03, the crackling booster wick .04, and now our whisper wicks in the whisper wick .02 and .03, as well as the whisper booster wick .02 and the whisper booster wick .03. Each flat wick is available in .375 inch, .5 inch, .625 inch, and .75 inch width. The wick sample kit also includes the tube wick. The tube wick is available in .01 thickness and makes a diameter melt pool of about 2 to 2.5 inches. To make your testing even easier, sample kits are priced at $29.95 with free shipping on all domestic orders. We have a huge list of FAQs around wick testing, and our customer service team is always there for you. So you have almost no excuse to get your testing right. Once you have the wick sample kit, reference the wick selection guide on woodandwick.com for recommendations on which wicks to begin testing. You can also refer to our video, How to Make a Wood & Wick Candle, and How to Conduct a Burn Test at any time for tips and tricks on how to make your wood & wick candle. Since we're talking about testing, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to testing a new vessel, wax, or wick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop on all the latest makers tips and tricks. See you next time in the Makers Marketplace. Happy making!